So in this video, we're going to take a look at exercise 2.3. The words in column B should be similar in meaning to those in column A. Column A, column B. Cross out the word which is odd in each group. And of course, the goal number 1 is to cross out an odd word, and goal number 2 is to practice saying the words. So pronunciation is the second aim for this exercise. Okay, so we have communicate. To communicate is the same as contact. To correspond, to interact, but not indicate. Contact, correspond, interact. Number 2, conclude. To conclude is the same as to close, to summarize, to recap, but not recall. Recall means to remember. Recollection is memory. So one more time, close, summarize, recap, not recall. Explain. To explain means to clarify, to define, to illustrate, but not express. Express means just tell a story or say a word, but not explain. So one more time, clarify, define, illustrate. Mean. To mean means to indicate, to intend, to signify, but not starter. Indicate, intend, signify, not starter. Meaning. Meaning is connotation, significance, sense, but not conjecture, because conjecture means guess. Guess is not a meaning. So one more time, connotation, significance, sense, but not conjecture. Not conjecture. Say. To say. To say means to verbalize, to speak, to express, but not demonstrate. Demonstrate means to show. So one more time, say means to express, to speak, to verbalize, but not demonstrate. Suggest means to imply, intimate, propose, but not state. Imply, intimate, propose, not state. Tell means to narrate, to recount, to relate, but not gesture. One more time, to tell means to narrate, to recount, to relate, not gesture. Understand. To understand means to appreciate, to comprehend, to follow, but not contradict. Contradict means to oppose. So to understand, one more time, it means to appreciate, comprehend, follow, but not contradict. Not contradict.